Alright, welcome. Question 41, a circle theorem question. In the diagram, the x, y is a tangent to the circle center O at the point P. The angle YPQ is given as 83. We are finding the value of M, that value which is at the center. Okay, angle subtended by the chord PQ at the center. The same chord PQ subtend the angle at where the R is. So the angle at the center is twice the one at the circumference, right? Now we can also see the chord PQ and the tangent form an angle. So I'm only going to say that angle, let's pick from here, PRQ is going to be equals to 83 degrees. What property are we saying? Angle between a tangent and a chord equals to the angle in the opposite segment. So I only say what property is that? Alternate segment theorem, right? So it means that this angle here is the same as this. But in the beginning, I mentioned that this angle is twice this angle. So I am only going to say that that implies that the angle M, which at the center, is equals to 2 times that very angle we just found, PRQ. So property is going to be the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So meaning your M will be 2 times, this is Q, right? 2 times your 83 degree. And 2 times 80, that is 160. And 2 times 3 is 6, we have 166 degrees. So the value of the angle M there is nothing but 166. I guess if you have the theorems at your fingertips, finding answer to this will be a cool job. If you want to get more of the tutorials on this, check the playlist on YouTube on Circle Theorems. You can get all the properties in there. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.